Alright everyone, so today we are learning about flexcard event listener. How can we use the event listener on click of some delete button on the data table? So data table, we know that there is a delete option is there, which triggers a custom event. And how can we capture and how can we call some integration procedure to use the delete option? So let's go to our scenario. What are we going to do today? We will be having one data table which will display the data which will coming from the integration procedure, and then we will see that how the detection is triggering, and then we will capture that event in our custom event listener, and then we'll call our integration procedure. This will be our scenarios. So let's go to our flex card. This is one of the flex card which I have created. Now we will take as a data table here. Data table having properties column, so we have not set up the name of the integration procedure. So data source will be integration procedure. Now we have to call our data procedure. So right now what I have done, I have created two data procedure which will take the details from the case. So what we are going to do, we are displaying some cases and we are going to delete those cases. So what this integration procedure does, it takes all the cases which are related to that particular account. So let's see, this is my account and I am having 4 cases with this account. So what my integration procedure will do, it will retrieve all the cases against that account. Now this I have to display in my flex card. So what I'll do, I have to activate this integration procedure without activating. This is not going to work. So after activating, this is displaying my record. Input map will be my account ID. This can be record ID. All right. With the test parameter, record ID is here. What we can do, we can fetch some data and let's see what will happen here. Okay, it's came, JSON came, will result, save it. We go to our data table. So data table having all the values. You can see like this. Now, if I'll preview it, now this is getting, this is displays in a repeatable mode. So we have to change that thing. So we'll go again to our design. We'll go to setup. There is a repeat option property there. We'll remove it. And then we'll again do the preview. So now the data is getting displayed like this. Now I will use my data table property and I'll keep it one delete button here. So I'll again do my design. Properties, attribute, I will say row delete. So it will come like this. I can put a search term. I can hide table header. This can hide table but header as well. But yeah, now right now we only just wanted to have a delete here. Now what we have to do, on click of this delete, there is a delete event fire, and we have to capture the delete event. So what we will do, we'll go to in setup. This is the event listener. So if you come to here, data table delete action, this always capture as a custom event here. So we have to do the custom event in the event lister to capture that thing. So we'll come again here. We'll go event listener. Event listener type should be sometime custom event. Event name is equal to delete. Delete. Now action type has to be this is the data events. So this is data event and we have to call one integration procedure. Now integration procedure is a different integration procedure which we are getting called here. What it will do, it will delete our case record. So whatever the records are there, we will create a delete record. This having the account ID is in one of the input parameter, but we have to pass input parameter as a case ID to it. And whenever this event calls, what it does, it's on the actions dot result dot id. So id will be your id which is coming from your record set. So I will show you again, but before that we don't want any response. What we will do, we'll do like this. So we will not be requiring the JSON path. What we can do, we can input parameter is id. This will be action dot result dot id. This we have to send something. So what we will do to test here, what we will do, we will find few case id, and let's say we will remove this 150 for our fetching. We'll come back here, we will paste it here, and then we'll see what happens here. Because we are not getting anything, we will again fetch it. It should not retrieve any value. Test result will come. We will see our 150 record has been deleted. So this is working fine. Now we'll save it. So I need to tell what is this. This is the ID. The ID is coming from your this ID. This ID we are sending to the event listener, which is getting triggered from here. So if you want to send type, if you want to say status and origin, so we can send it. Now I have to show you the delete integration procedure. This I have created integration procedure where this is directly using the delete action of the integration procedure, where the case is the object and case ID is input parameter. So which is I am using in my flexcard in the custom listener. So let's preview it. So this is happening right now. So we'll go to our demo, we'll preview it. Okay, I can delete from here. Let's see, this will be deleted. So these are the records, and record has been deleted. We again refresh it. Only two records are there. Now, if you wanted to put one loader when this delete button has been clicked, then what can we do? We can go in the setup, can come here. This is the thing, block interaction while waiting. So this will give us a loader which can be used once we click on the delete. So that kind of loader will come. So let's go again, do the preview. It's loaded. If I'll click on here, it's very quick, so it's not coming as a loader, but yeah, that's the place where we can do as a loader. Now another record has been deleted. If you see, if you refresh it, only one record is here.